Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. Here you are seeing extremely beautiful, rarest collection of conch for conch collectors. All are very, very unique collection. Only one piece in the world, never again another piece. All conches are unique. See, it is very unique. It is like a Varaga Avatar conch. Extremely unique collection. Very, very different formation, dual pattern. Beautiful color. This is extremely very, very unique pattern. Completely different formation. All conch collectors will love to collect like this conches. Yeah. It is like a smelling face. Unique formation. See, it is a double line. All conch are very unique. Very extremely rare to see such a conches. Unique formation. This is very, very unique. Beautiful, extremely unique, rarest collection conches for conch collectors. Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya.